Welcome back guys, welcome back to TechBender, and today guys I'm going to show you how to make a computer inside a computer. I know guys, that's very mind blending, but this video is going to show you everything. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. If you don't understand anything, that's my job, to make you don't understand and make you understand. So let's start. So guys, we're going to use VirtualBox, and VirtualBox is just an app that can create another computer with a separate operating system on inside your Windows 10 computer. So I'm going to show you how to install it, and on this VirtualBox we are going to make our hacking machine that we will be using on this entire course of hacking. So I just need a like from this video. So guys, let's start. Let me show you how to install it first. So guys, we've launched up Google or Chrome, and we want to install VirtualBox so that we can make a hacking machine inside our Windows 10 computer. So the first thing we're going to search on the Google Chrome, we're just going to search on VirtualBox. VirtualBox, and you can see guys, we have this link, and the picture of the VirtualBox is something like this. So let's open up the website. It's called virtualbox.org or org. After seeing this, we just need to install VirtualBox, the new version 1. So guys, just click download, but me, I have already downloaded VirtualBox, so you just need to pause this video. So guys, after downloading VirtualBox, you just need to install it. It will be just the same way you install any other app. After that, you just need to open the app. It will look like this. As you can see, me, I've created two virtual machines, and as I told you, VirtualBox is just an app that helps you to create a machine inside your machine, but with a different operating system. So let's install a hacking machine. So the hacking machine we're going to use is Kali Linux. It's the best hacking machine that everyone recommends. Every hacker like Glitch, Network Chuck, and David Bombal recommend. So just let us launch again Chrome and search Kali Linux. Sorry guys, I've just searched Mali instead of Kali. So you're just going to click on the first website, www.kalilinux.org or org. It will just look like this, and it's going to tell you download or decimation. As me, I've already downloaded this. I've downloaded the 64-bit and the 32-bit, but I know some computers have some problems on creating these virtual machines. So I'm going to tell you on the end of this video. So stick out, because I know there is an error that happened to me, and I know it is going to happen to you. So see, you can see this. This is how it looks. This is the website, and if you don't, let's say that you want to download, here is the types of images you just need to download. You can see here, you can see the Kali Linux 64-bit installer, the Kali 64-bit live, 64-bit net installer, and yes, the current 64-bit R. And you can see all of them has a very big storage on there. You can see here, the first one, Linux 64-bit installer is 4 gigabytes. So that one, I don't know how you're going to use it, but I know you'll just use your internet. And you can see me, I have two operating systems, the Linux 32-bit and the Linux 64-bit. So guys, let's say that these have a very large storage. We just need, if you want to take a low storage, just click on offensive security VM download page. You just need to wait for it, and it will redirect you here. So here guys, you just need to download the images, not the operating system, but it will work. And see here, so the mistakes that I did here is very common. Don't just pick anything here. If you can see here, this one is a 7-zip. Don't pick that one. Just open this sign of plus here. Yes, that one. And you can see, and it should be over 5. So guys, there's two options: Linux VirtualBox 32-bit, 64-bit. Me, I have installed 64-bit. It will depend on you, but all of them are just the same storage. But they have been reduced from 4 gigabytes to 3 gigabytes, 3.2, 3.6. So guys, if you have already, you just comment down below which type of operating system you want to install. Me, I've already installed this one. This one was the easiest part. So I've installed Linux VirtualBox 64-bit. After installing it, you'll be an over 5 when you install it. So guys, when you install it, it will look like this. You can see guys, it is an over 5. Over. It will look like a box. Let me just zoom it for you. Yes, that one. So when you want to create a hacking machine, you just need to open it. And what if you say you install the Linux installer without offensive security? It will just look like this. You can see mine. I've installed the 32-bit. You can see 386, and I have installed the 64-bit. Let me show you. Just put it where no one can find it. And this one is it. It is the 64-bit. Let me show you. Yes. Kali Linux installer 64. So I have the two operating system. If you want, you can download it on my website, TECHBENDER 12345. Don't miss out it. You can just go and check it out. So that after me, I'm going to show you the best option on installing the hacking machine. So let us open the Kali Linux over file. When you open it, it will look like this. This is the guided mode. If you want to create, now I'm going to take you all the process. The name, you can change the name. I think mine is Kali Linux 2021. That's too boring. We're going to change it to TECHBENDER. Bender. And you can see all of this, and you can see mine is using the Debian. And let me tell you, you can change it. You can see here we have Microsoft, Windows, Linux, Solaris, BSD, IBM, OS 2, Mac OS X, and other. But me, I want to use a Linux machine. Just going to click on Linux, and you can see there is more than 1,000 options. You can see Linux 0.22, Arch Linux 32-bit, Debian. That was my first hacking machine. Yes, you can see my hacking machine, Debian, and we have Gentoo, Fedora, Red Hat, Oracle, Open, Turbo, Linux, Ubuntu, and other Linux. So mine, I'm just going to take the Ubuntu one, because this one is just going to take the 64-bit, and you can change the options here. I want to change just, can see mine is using 2 CPU, but I'm going to change mine to 1. And the RAM, that's too high because I've created 2 virtual machines and they may take too much RAM. So I'm just going to put like 90 MB. The DVD is alright. And just click on import. When you click on import, it will ask you to agree. Just do that, and the process will just take more than, let me say, like 5 minutes, because it depends on your computer. Mine takes a bit slower, but I know your computer is so fast. As you know, me, I've already created 2, so I'm just going to open for you 1. Let us open the Kali. I'm just going to show you how it looks. It is opening. Let us give it time. Oracle. And I know it will be very good for a hacker to have a hacking machine, because that's the best thing. As you see me, when I didn't know this, I used to install my hacking machine on Windows. You can see here, I have some types of hacking machine. You can see here we have Wireshark, we have, let's search for another one, virtual machine here. We have Nmap, we have Crack, and others. So when I show you the downloads, there are too many. So on this hacking machine, they have all the apps here. Let's see, this is how it opens. Let us just give it time. And the password, I'm going to show you. The password is when you have installed on offensive security page, the password I'm going to tell you right now. So stick out, stick in, or stick under, or stick and like. You can see here. Let me just make it big. The name, just going to write Kali, and don't put any backspace or space, and just go and enter your password. Then the password will be always Kali. And just log in. Let us wait for our hacking machine to do its job. Look at this, guys. We have Kali Linux on a Windows machine, and the best thing, you just need to open the terminal. And let me first show you some of the apps that are very good here. And see, we have Kali Linux, Kali Docs, Kali Bugs, Offensive Security Training, exploit database, hub, and here we have some folders. We have the information gathering, and see here multi-table and map here. And guys, on other videos you'll hear that Kali Linux is a scary machine. Don't be scared of it, and I'm going to show you why. Because on this Kali Linux message operating system, you will not just go on apps and try to choose your app. Here on Kali Linux, just open our terminal, the app, and it will look like this. This is our terminal look. Here is where you type all everything. If you want to make a folder, just let me show you some basic commands. If you want to make a folder, just type on mkdir, and that's how. Guys, if you want to see some folders in your Kali Linux, just type on ls. So guys, all the commands will be on my website. Just go and check them out. I would like it. So guys, this is the end of our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, very good to us, because I love it. And the first thing and the best option, just shut it down. You can just shut it down. I'm going to just